My people, y'all, let's eat. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ms. Yancy and this is Ms. Yancy Kitchen. What are we eating today? Today we're cooking okra sauce, red oil okra sauce to be specific, and we're going to eat it with fufu or rice. It all depends on what I'm feeling at the end of this video. Y'all come along with me and let's make this thing quick and easy. I do not cook with a lot of meats, so do not expect to see a lot of things that you will be boiling for hours and hours. This is about to be a quick and simple recipe for someone that's just looking for something delicious to eat in a short amount of time, and that doesn't require a lot of time boiling meats, you know, and things like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's easy to follow. Let me know if it's not, or let me know if you have anything else that you would like for me to cook on this channel. I cook a lot of different West African dishes that I'm very good at, and I hope you enjoy being here because I enjoy cooking for you. All right, guys, come along. Alright y'all, so I decided to put some jute leaf in the okra today, so we're about to go to my garden and get some jute that we're going to put in the okra. I am growing some fresh jute leaf in my backyard in my garden, and I decided that I wanted to get some fresh jute for this okra. your new bestie.
MarthaLorine Signature Luxurious Body Butter is packed with all natural skin-loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances.
Your new bestie.